She walks like she owns the silence. She walks like she owns the silence. Tall in grace, sharp in purpose, beauty with a warrior's heart. Long legs cutting through the field, eyes that never miss a move. She don't rush, she don't reveal all the power that she holds in truth. Elegance in every step, the danger sleeping in her stride. When the moment calls her name, there is nowhere left to hide. Oh, calm like the morning, yeah. Oh, but fire is waiting there. Grace that strikes without a sound, lightning dancing on the ground. Beauty walking fearless, so deadly when she takes control. Secretary, bird, rise and see what strength looks like quietly. You remind the world tonight, power doesn't need the fight. Waiting still, but she already knows the game. With precision, with her will, she rewrites the hunter's name. Not all warriors roar aloud, some are silent, swift and wise. She is proof that gentle forms can still conquer, still arise. Grace that strikes without a sound, lightning dancing on the ground. Beauty walking fearless, so deadly when she takes control. Secretary, bird, rise and see what strength looks like quietly. You remind the world tonight, power doesn't need the fight. She walks and danger follows.